Hello and welcome to another Bidify help video. My name is Rocco De Benedetto, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to fund your account with BankWire. Now I'm going to go through the complete sign-up process to demonstrate that it is a very straightforward process. You simply need to just follow the directions on the screen, and if anyone's already registered and they just want to get to the funding section, funding with a BankWire, just simply fast forward the video. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just go to join now, and I'm going to click on subscription packages so there's no confusion here. Whether you're signing up as a free affiliate or an executive platinum or premium package, you can choose that here, but it really won't reflect in the members area until you actually fund the account. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to click sign up on the platinum package, and it takes me to the affiliate sign up form. So let's go through this as quickly as possible. And again, if you've already done this, please just fast forward through this portion of the video. You can pause, rewind, or fast forward at any time. So make sure that your sponsor details are proper. I'm going to put a username as test1234, assign a password, and it's recommended that you record your username and password so that you can immediately log back into the Bidify account, into your Bidify members area once this is completed. So once you have your passwords in, enter your name, assign a birth date. I'm just going to do this as quickly as possible. I'm going to make test pretty old. We'll assign an email address. Address. Finally, select your country. Unfortunately, I have to go down to the bottom of the list, so appreciate your patience. And again, you can fast forward, you can pause, you can rewind at any time in the tutorial. Okay, here we go. And I'll enter a fictitious phone number in here. And then simply click the register button. Now at this point, if you've come across any errors, they will be displayed on that sign-up form, and just read the red writing and it'll tell you what to recorrect. Now as you can see, the sign-up has been successful. You are now a registered affiliate. Okay, so now let's get to the funding. So I'm going to log into the account using this green login tab up in the right hand upper corner of the screen, and I'm going to add my username, test1234. I'm going to enter my password, and then I'm going to click login. Now once in the members area, for the first time or as many times as you log in, if you have not registered your TOA account, this little drop down tab will always appear. Okay, now I strongly recommend that you fill this out as quickly as possible. This is the means by which we get paid into our TOA account, and you want to get your debit card sent to you, your prepaid MasterCard sent to you as quickly as possible. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip this section. Okay, it's not necessary to fund the account if you're not funding with TOA, and in this tutorial we're funding with BankWire. So I'm going to close this drop down tab, and if ever you want to get back to that drop down tab or that menu, simply scroll down the side of the page, follow this cursor, and click on the Accounting tab. Under the Accounting tab in the sub-menu, the bottom sublink says Set up and Verify TOA Account. And again, I strongly recommend that after you fund your account, you do that step immediately. Okay, so let us get ready to fund our account with BankWire. So under the same Accounting tab, we're going to go to Account Loading, the second sublink. Going to click on Account Loading, and here you can see you're on the Load Account page. And this is very critical, and this is where a lot of people seem to stumble. Just read the directions on the page and know that when you load this account, all payments in Bidify are made through your cash account in Bidify. If you do not have cash available on your cash account, you can load your account in various ways. Once you have loaded your cash account in Bidify, you can pay for upgrades, subscriptions, and sample bids. By loading your account, you agree that all payments to Bidify Limited are final and that Bidify Limited has a strict no refund policy. So to load your Bidify cash account, please select one of the options below, and once completed, click Next. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to do the bank wire. And here you can see that the tab is green. We're highlighted Account Loading via Bank Wire. This is very straightforward. So let's read this. The preferred way of loading your cash account is by bank wire. Bidify will provide you all the information needed, including the IBAN number and a SWIFT code to ensure you send your funds correctly. When selecting this option, you are also advised to keep a copy of your receipt. It should also be remembered that funds will not be available until they have been cleared by the bank. This process can take up to 7 business days. And there is a $10 euro transaction fee associated with the bank wire loading. So let's just go ahead and fund this account. And let's say I want to fund it for the platinum package of 1,000 euros. So I'm simply going to type in 1,000. And if anybody needs to convert the currency and know exactly how much you have to have in your bank, there's a neat little currency converter right down here. So once you've added the amount to be funded, and that could be 150 euros, 250 euros, or 1,000 euros, or perhaps maybe you're already a member and you want to purchase some sample bids, just enter the amount in there and then click on the Next button. Okay, so I'm going to click on Next, and here's where we're going to verify all of our information. So you can see, please confirm the information below and click the Register Bank Wire button to register your wire transfer. So once you've verified all of this information is correct, complete your bank wire account loading request by clicking the Register Bank Wire button below. Okay? Now, if for any reason any of this information is wrong, just simply click the back browser in your browser tab, and you can go back, make the corrections, and then come back to this page. So make sure you print out a wire transfer form containing all the necessary details at the Load Account page. Use this form when sending your bank wire to ensure correct details being given to your bank. Now, this is very important. Mark your payment clearly with your unique transaction ID assigned to your payment. And again, the transaction time is normally up to 7 business days. So now that this information is correct, we're simply going to click on Register Bank Wire. Once we do that, we're going to come to the Load Account page. It's going to give us a brief overview of what we're doing, and today's date, the transaction ID number, the amount that we're wiring, the method that we're using, which is bank wire, and the status is pending. So now to complete this transaction, we must get the instructions to do so, all of the proper banking information of where we're sending the wire to. So simply click on the Print button. When you click on that Print button, the bank wire information is going to download to your desktop or to wherever you want to load it. So in this case, you can see I have it loaded to my desktop. I'm simply going to click the Save button. And I'm using Chrome, so it's right down here in the bottom where I can get quick access to it. You would simply search your desktop, wherever you downloaded it to, for the bank wire instructions. It's a bank wire PDF. I'm going to click Open, and then we'll cover the instructions together. Very straightforward. Bank wire transfer details. Okay? The wire transfer instructions are, when ordering a bank wire transfer from your bank, use the following information. Please make sure that the reference ID is clearly marked with the transfer. Each wire transfer requires a separate reference ID to be used. Okay? So in other words, you can't fund multiple accounts with one wire. So here is the information of who you're sending the wire to. Account holder is Skyfry AB. Their address is below. The name of their bank is Nordea Bank AB. And here is their information below. Here is their account number. the IBAN number, which your bank will request, and the SWIFT code. It's right down here. Currencies must be sent in euros. The amount for the package that I chose, which is the Platinum package, is 1,000 euros plus the $10 processing fee. And note to the receiver, the reference ID. This is very important. You must enter your reference ID. And also take note that the sender pays both sender and receiver fees. So you can print this out, bring this to your bank with you, or have it beside your phone if your bank will allow you to call in a bank wire. I know many banks don't do that unless you're set up for it. So you can see that this is very straightforward. Let me just say that once your account is funded, you can go to your affiliate overview area up in the top left-hand corner of the page and click this little drop-down arrow, and you'll see that your cash account was funded with the 1,000 euros. At that point, you can simply scroll back down to the bottom of the page and you can click on Upgrades and Renewals. And in the submenu, click Upgrade Subscription Level. At this point, you can choose the package that you're going to purchase, and you're going to click the upgrade button and just follow the directions. Now you can see right here your current cash account balance is 0. This will populate with the 1,000 euros as soon as the bank wire is cleared. Again, so it's very straightforward. And again, once you've completed this process, your account is funded and you've chosen your package, you're ready to go. I strongly recommend, even before your account is funded, use your refer URL and begin sharing this wonderful opportunity with everyone. It doesn't make a difference if they sign up when you're a free affiliate or you're a paid affiliate, but now is the time to share that referrer ID to begin building your business. It'll never be easier than this particular moment in time as we're approaching the launch of our bids and auction site very shortly. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. And again, I strongly recommend that once you complete your funding process, again, head over to the accounting tab, set up and verify your TOA account, because that's the means in which you're going to withdraw your cash to. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you on the very next show. For now, this is Rocco Di Benedetto signing out.